The inquiry topic that I'm investigating is what effects does discarded cigarette butts have on the sustainability of aquatic ecosystems? I chose to investigate this topic because I am passionate about the conservation of aquatic environments and because cigarette butt litter is a global epidemic. Around 4.5 trillion cigarette butts are discarded worldwide every year. They can be seen everywhere, on urban streets, in parks and at beaches. These cigarette butts get washed down stormwater drains and into our oceans, lakes and rivers, polluting the aquatic ecosystems living within them. The sustainability of our aquatic ecosystems impacts the survival of other environments, such as forests, mountains and deserts, as well as the lives of their animal inhabitants. When litter such as cigarette butts contaminate aquatic ecosystems, they pollute and damage them, which in turn may affect the survival of other ecosystems and the lives of the animals within them. Aquatic ecosystems also provide humans with water to drink, food to eat and air to breathe. The damage which cigarette butts cause to aquatic ecosystems impacts the quality and health of people's lives. The materials and chemicals used in cigarettes affect the health of the fish people eat, as well as the quality of water that they drink. The effects that cigarette butts have on aquatic ecosystems could be detrimental to the health and well-being of the environment, as well as the people and animals within the environment. Cigarette butts are made of cellulose acetate, which is a non-biodegradable material that contains over 4,000 toxic chemicals, such as nicotine, carbon monoxide, arsenic and tar. These chemicals are known to be carcinogenic to humans. Discarded cigarette butts get washed down stormwater drains and end up in our waterways. These cigarette butts are leaving a very destructive legacy for both marine life and their ecosystems. Through inquiries, it has been revealed that when submerged in water, cigarette butts leach out toxic chemicals which cause great damage to aquatic ecosystems. To investigate this topic, the first approach taken was a search on Google. As a result, many websites with information about this topic came up. However, a great deal of these websites were from organisations such as Clean Up Australia and Quit Smoking campaigns, which made the information hard to verify, leading to questions of credibility. To assist with my research further, I accessed the Curtin Library tutorials, which taught me how to enhance my research skills. This allowed me to narrow my search parameters and find more relevant information for my inquiry topic. After reviewing feedback from Assessment 1, I evaluated my research questions, changing them slightly to make them more specific. This changed the focus of my inquiry to include how chemicals in cigarette butts affect aquatic environments. Through this, I was able to uncover that the chemicals leached from cigarette butts cause damage such as poor water quality, poisoning, and death of both aquatic plants and animals. Further investigations need to be completed on how the quality of aquatic ecosystems changes after the chemical poisoning of cigarette butts, and how the chemical poisoning from cigarette butts affect food webs within aquatic ecosystems. This in turn may impact the survival of aquatic ecosystems themselves. This inquiry topic would be suitable for grades 3 and 4. Students in these year levels can use this inquiry to investigate and understand the effects littering has on the environment and how these actions impact the living entities within these environments. Students are also able to explore relationships between animals and plants and how they are dependent upon each other for survival.